Hello, creative companion. I'm Cat Wild and today we do a sperm whale. You need watercolor paper, a pencil, a rubber, washi tape, a palette, watercolors, water and some brushes. As usual, we start with fixing the paper with the washi tape on the table. We start with the head. For that we sketch a rectangle with an open side on the left side. Then we extend the bottom line and draw some curves before the back fin starts. The small hand fin is following. Then we draw the upper body line with a straight line, a very small fin and a bow to the tail. Isn't it funny that such a huge animal as the sperm whale has such small fins? Then we sketch the back fin, the mouth and the eye. As usual, we erase the sketch with a rubber. We color the dark parts of the whale dark blue. And the light parts ochre. Then we mix Van Dyke brown and dark blue together. With that color we shade the dark areas of the whale. With the same color and more water we color the rest of the whale. Then use the same color and shade the dark parts of the sperm whale a second time. For giving the skin the right structure, we use again the same color and draw thin lines on the whale. This was easy, wasn't it? As usual, we let the sperm whale dry and I tell you some fun facts about them. Sperm whales can dive to 2,250 meters deep. Besides, they have the biggest brain on Earth. The heaviest found brain weighed 9 kilograms and 200 grams. The so-called rare putter is a whale-tooth pendant and an important and rare culture object for the Maoris, because they didn't hunted sperm whales. So, now it's time for the background. For the background we use two different blues. First we draw some wave lines that imagine the structure of the water. Then we water the paper with water. And use the second blue. This is a finished sperm whale. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay creative and I'll see you next time. Bye!